Welcome. Today we explore the unique challenges of e-waste in marine environments. Saltwater corrosion accelerates damage, increases pollution risks, and demands responsible disposal practices. Electronics are everywhere at sea, from navigation and sonar to research tools. With every upgrade, more devices enter the waste stream. Marine conditions like salt, UV, and moisture make failure faster, pushing even more units into disposal pipelines. Unfortunately, marine-specific e-waste is often overlooked, leading to improper storage and unsafe dumping. Saltwater speeds up corrosion. It penetrates protective coatings, creating galvanic reactions that strip away metals. On circuit boards, solder joints corrode, releasing lead and tin into the water. Devices built from mixed materials, copper, aluminum, steel, and plastics, degrade unevenly, cracking and leaching harmful substances. Eventually, casings fracture, scattering toxic fragments into the marine environment. When marine e-waste corrodes, dangerous materials leach out. Heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and mercury contaminate sediments and climb the food chain. Batteries rupture, releasing chemicals and posing fire risks. Plastics degrade into microplastics, carrying flame retardants and toxins into marine ecosystems. Even coatings and resins break down, disrupting reproduction and growth in marine species. E-waste reaches the water in many ways. Abandoned vessels leave electronics to corrode in marinas. Storms and accidents strand subsea gear. Improper disposal, like tossing devices into general trash, leads to crushing and faster leakage. Many devices also hold stored data, creating security risks when left unsecured. Often, old equipment is simply stockpiled without a plan, where corrosion continues silently. Over time, contamination builds up. Harbors and estuaries act as hotspots where metals settle into sediments, only to be stirred back up by tides and storms. Offshore, abandoned equipment lingers for decades, slowly releasing toxins. These chronic exposures damage reproduction, growth, and food chains, harming fisheries and coastal communities. Prevention is always cheaper and more effective than remediation. Prevention starts with action. Inspect devices each season for corrosion or swelling and remove faulty units early. Store retired equipment in dry, contained spaces, not on decks or bilges. Handle batteries safely by taping terminals and never mixing chemistries. And plan disposal. Keep a list of drop-off sites or licensed recyclers and align recycling with regular maintenance. Design and policy both matter. Using corrosion-resistant materials and modular boards extends device lifespans. Designing for disassembly with screws instead of adhesives makes safe recycling easier. Manufacturers can offer trade-in and take-back programs to keep devices out of the water. Meanwhile, marinas and governments can promote awareness and enforce rules against dockside dumping. Licensed recyclers are the safe channel for marine e-waste. They depollute devices, removing batteries and circuit boards before recovery. Metals like copper, aluminum, and rare earths are reclaimed, while plastics are safely processed. They also ensure secure data destruction, protecting stored coordinates and call logs. By combining marina collection points with licensed recyclers, boat owners can recycle responsibly with confidence. For safe and responsible marine e-waste recycling, reach out today. Protect the ocean that powers us. Handle marine e-waste early, route it to licensed recyclers, and keep corrosion out of our waters.